Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me because I have a date night with my husband, Adam. This is something we've been really committed to doing since we started couples therapy, and I've just been trying to work on our relationship. So I'm gonna kind of get ready and touch up my makeup because I did my makeup this morning and just kind of freshen up my hair. And then I have some really fun outfits I'm gonna try on for you guys. So there will be like a little clothing try on haul in this video too that I just got from JUSTFAB. And I would like to thank JUSTFAB for sponsoring today's video. If you have not heard of JUSTFAB, it's an online clothing website, and I will have a link in my description box if you want to try it. There's like a really fun style quiz that you can take. I took it and it recommended to me adorable outfits. Like, I have not tried them on yet, but I already love them. And we have just so much coming up this spring. So I have a wedding, a shower, I'm gonna be going to London, and we have a little family getaway we're doing on a weekend. So I was kind of keeping that in mind when I ordered these outfits. And if you use that link in my description box and wanna try out JUSTFAB, there you get 75% off of an item, and the VIP you get 30 to 50% off of retail prices, and any order that's $39 or more you get free shipping on. And everything, guys, it's so affordable, it's so cute. And not kidding, if there's anything I end up trying on here that you really like, you've got to use that link, snatch it up fast, because they cycle out the clothing every single month. So make sure that you don't miss out on any of the pieces because they look really, really cute for spring. I got a lot of really fun like floral prints and pastel colored clothes that I freaking cannot wait to try on and to wear this spring. Anywho, I did, after I kind of touch up my contouring here, I feel like it always goes away on my cheeks. I always need like a little extra blush and contour for in the evenings. Adam and I have been doing so much better. We did just get back from a Disney World vacation with our best friends since we were in middle school, and we needed that. Like, we just needed that getaway. My anxiety that I was feeling, that weight on my chest, I like did not feel it at all when we were at Disney. It was amazing. You can always check out the vlogs to that after this video if you want to. Here, I'm gonna spray this on. It's like a setting spray. It smells like watermelon. It's amazing. It just looks like funny, I'm sure, when I just like spray my face with that, but it smells so good. I'm gonna touch up my lips here and then freshen up my hair and get all ready for date night. The kids are napping right now, by the way, so I cannot wait. I don't think we've decided where we're going to eat yet, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of in the mood for like salad. I want like a really crunchy, healthy salad. I feel like I was eating a lot of junk on vacation, and I mean, it's vacation, so who cares, but I kind of want something a little bit healthier. And by the way, the wind, sorry if like you hear the crazy wind that's happening right now. It's like a super, super windy day here. Like a tree is really blowing outside of the window there. Okay, I think like makeup is done again. Like, I'm just kind of touching up what I already did this morning there, and gonna kind of do a good brush through of everything. Try to fluff this up. Okay, let's go try on some clothes. Okay, so here is the first outfit that I ordered from JUSTFAB. This is a romper. It's like a pantsuit, one piece, floral romper. I thought this was perfect for spring. I thought this blush bag with that dark metal detailing was a really nice way to bring out the lighter colors in the flowers. But we're going to be going to tea when we're in London. I thought this would be a really fun going to tea outfit. I also have a shower this spring, so I thought this could be a really cute look for a shower as well. And wait till you see, this is I think one of my favorite parts. Look at the shoes. These are from JUSTFAB too. Aren't those adorable for spring in the hot pink? And just gets me so excited for nicer weather too. Here is the next look from JUSTFAB. I'm obsessed with this purple lavender dress. I think this would be perfect to wear to a wedding. Could also be really cute for Easter Sunday at church. And I actually left on the pink heels with it. I thought that kind of helped make it look really fun and bright for spring. And I've got to say, this is a pairing I wouldn't have come up with on my own, but when I took that style quiz, it recommended the jean jacket over this dress. And I think if you paired it with some really cute casual shoes, this could be a fun girls' night type outfit or just a more casual look. But I wanted to stock up on a jean jacket because I just think jean jackets are pretty much a wardrobe staple, but especially this spring, I think jean jackets are gonna be big. All right, and here's what I think I'm gonna wear out on our date night tonight. I am obsessed with the bell-bottom trend that's coming back. It is my favorite style of jeans. I just think it's so flattering on every woman's body. And I'm gonna use that same blush bag, but this top. How pretty is the lace detailing on the sleeves? I just love it. Like, it's just like so fun and flirty for date night. So I think that this is going to be my date night look tonight. And that creaky door you just heard wasn't a ghost, it was Coley. She's video bombing right now. But if you want to try any of the options that I showed you or check out the other really adorable and affordable clothing on JUSTFAB, I really appreciate it if you use the link that I have in my description box. It just means a lot when you support me and my channel. And just remember, all of the clothing changes every single month. So you always have the latest and greatest fashion on JUSTFAB. So if there's anything you see here that I tried on that you want, use that link and act fast. And thank you again, JUSTFAB, for sponsoring this video. I seriously love everything I tried on, so I cannot wait to go out on our date night now.
I didn't realize you were filming. In the zone, listening to my weird, chill, indie folk music.
So we just dropped off the kids and are headed to dinner at a restaurant in our old neighborhood. And I can't wait because it's really good, homemade, yummy Italian food. Did you already scout out the menu?
I did. I might do something I haven't done before. They're macaroni and cheese with like...
Are you landing?
Well, it comes with lobster.
Kind of like what? What a gent. Right now, guys, is so crazy outside. Like, look at the traffic lights. Scared?
Well, I'm sure from upstairs, the other side up there.
Taking my oil and vinegar and Parmesan cheese dipping sauce in the bread. And Adam and I were just talking about our next Europe vacation, which is thinking Germany for sure. So tell us anything we need to see in Germany in the comments.
One friend of mine was, we were
Vino. What'd you get?
Pasta carbonara, special tonight.
Carbonara. Oh. The coal miner pasta, it said. And then I have chicken marsala with fettuccine and their tomato sauce. So, manja. I don't joke, it's so good. It's such a treat. Drink my wine, so we decided to try. They have this grape pie, and you can tell it's like still warm with vanilla ice cream. So
I don't even know if I guess I'll have one bite. I'm so full.
I know, I'm so full. We have like 2 to-go boxes because there was so much food. Well, we had a really good date night.
So good. so full.
I literally, no, I'm like so, I cannot believe we're bringing home 2 boxes and the grape pie. If you live in this area, you need to go to Pepper's and have the grape pie. It is like a wine pie with ice cream. Best thing I've ever had in my life. But thank you so much for watching this date night vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks again to JUSTFAB for sponsoring this vlog. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can I get you two?